SpongeBob. I'm nuts for you.
Well, I'm Bubbles for you, Sandy. Patrick, I'm right behind you.
There you are! Happy Valentine's Day! Here's your present.
And I have a present for you.
You do?
It's the greatest,
Oh.
the bestest, the most fantabulous present. But you can't have it yet.
Huh? Why not?
Because it's not ready yet.
Is it ready now?
Not yet.
How about now?
Do you want to ruin the surprise?
Yes! Please?
Nope, sorry.
You gotta tell me!
No can do. Nah, you'll just have to wait.
Please! Please! Please!
Okay, Patrick, here we are.
You got me a carnival? Mine! Oh, mine! Everybody out! This is my carnival!
It's not the carnival.
Oh.
Here, why don't you take this quarter and...
Oh my gosh! A quarter! I've always wanted a quarter!
Not the quarter.
Oh.
Now, take that quarter and buy some cotton candy.
Cotton candy! I can't believe it!